In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create a privacy and terms policy for your Squarespace website. By the end, you'll know exactly what these policies are, where they live on your site, and how to keep them accurate as your business grows. First, let's clarify what you need. A privacy policy explains what personal data you collect, how you use it, and how visitors can manage or delete their information. This matters if you collect emails, use forms, embed analytics, sell products, or run ads. A terms of service, sometimes called terms and conditions, outlines the rules for using your site, your disclaimers, and your limitations of liability. Together, these pages set expectations and help you build trust with visitors. Now let's add them to your Squarespace site. You'll create dedicated pages so they're easy to read and easy to find. Open your site editor and go to Pages, click the plus icon to add a new page, then choose Blank Page. Name the first one Privacy Policy. Repeat the same process to create a second page called Terms of Service. Keeping them as separate pages is common and keeps things clear for visitors. Next, paste your policy content into each page's editor. You can use text you've already written or copy in content generated by a reputable policy generator you trust. After pasting, take a moment to format the text for readability. Add clear headings for sections like Information we collect, How we use data, Cookies, User rights, and Contact. And for terms, sections like Use of the site, Intellectual property, Disclaimers, and Limitation of liability. Keep the language plain and concise so non-legal readers can understand it. If you have a contact page, link to it where you reference how visitors can reach you. With your pages ready, make them visible in your footer so they appear across your entire site. In the site editor, go to the website section and open your footer. Add simple text links labeled Privacy Policy and Terms of Service and point each link to the new pages you created. The footer is the standard place users look for these links, and many compliance frameworks expect them to be accessible from every page. Finally, keep everything updated. Anytime you add a new feature or integration that handles user data, like email signups, ad networks, or tracking pixels, review your privacy policy and make changes as needed. It's a good idea to include a last updated date at the top of each policy so visitors know they're seeing